Hey there, friends. I showed you how to create the You Make a Difference Moovly. But while I was doing it, I accidentally credited the wrong musician for the project. So then you have to go to the My Moves and the You Make a Difference clip. And if you scroll all the way down, you can find the Unpublish, where you can unpublish the bad one. And then once you've edited and made your changes, you can publish the new one. So check this out. You can go back in and you can edit your move, which I have already done, but I'll show you how. So I simply just went to the music area. I don't need to do the tour. But in the music area, I need to open up so I can see all my pieces. Out here on the text, instead of it being Ben Sound, who is cool, it was Kevin MacLeod that created Happy Beat. And then the trick was, once I saved it, I had to go back to the Moovlies, and now I can publish the new one by simply hitting Publish to Gallery. We've already talked about the having rights and using royalty-free, so I can simply say OK, and now it is published again. When I hit View in Gallery, then the whole world can see the cool project. So that's what you do if you make an oops. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.